Hey everyone, my name is Kirill. I live in Los Angeles, California, and we are building Map. So the problem that we are solving is you cannot actually make friends on streaming apps today. Followers do not equal friends, and teenagers still want to socialize and meet new people while they're stuck at home, for example. And this is what Map is: live streaming where viewers friend other viewers. And so you go to the app and you either can watch like shows like you see on other apps, or you can meet new people here. And this is how we meet new people here. So you fill some information about yourself at the beginning. Then you start answering the questions about other people who also see the show right now. And this can be any type of question. It can include also videos and photos, and this is just an example. But if you have same interest and experience, then you can become friends. And this is just easy how it makes friends during live shows. And you can start chatting, of course. And we also understood that this is not only cool for making friends, but it also increases the engagement of the whole platform. And this is also pretty awesome. And at the same time, we launched this beta already. You can download it from our website, mad.fun. We have 1,500 ratings, and our creators already love the app. And I wanted to remind you that live streaming is becoming the next big form of entertainment. And we'll let people to bond over the shared love of common streamers like they did 20 years ago with musicians. So this is what Meta is: live streaming where viewers friend other viewers. And creators are already inspired to pair their fans between each other. We have 70 creators in our waitlist with 60 million total audience, and this is just the beginning. Also, we partnered with Matrix, esports startup, which got 1 million total reviews to get esports team on Map. Planning to launch in October 2020. And before that, we built another live streaming app, which got 15 million downloads in Russia, and we know how to do this again. Also, we launched another experiment with AR face filters app, which got 22nd place on the US App Store, and people were building face filters 3x faster than on Snapchat. Again, my name is Kirill. We're raising and hiring. Come and join us to build the next big digital experience. Thanks a lot. And press follow. That's it.
Thank you. Yeah, this is awesome. Where do people come from? Like, what other apps do they use before this?
So we're targeting right now on apps, more like live streaming apps. And we're more focusing, by the way, on creators, because creators bring their audience on our platform. And this is why I was talking about the wait list. And we also have some other creators who already want to join.
And the advantage sounds like, the differences sounds like people can interact with the live stream together. Your friends can do that together.
That's right. That's right. So it's kind of, you not just watch stream like on Twitch, you also can interact with other viewers at the same time. So it's like a triangle.
And interact with other viewers through chat or through also video chatting, or?
Through video chatting, through chats. And we actually want to focus more on just interactive streams. And we actually want to build some more stuff about this, like games and stuff like that. But this, what I showed, is just the beginning. Yep.
So this is less like Twitch about gaming. This is more just about any kind of live stream.
Yes, that's right. That's right. And it's more mobile than Twitch.
Who are adopting the product so far?
That's funny, because around like 12 years old girls is our audience that just love the app right now. They're creating a lot of streams, and that's really funny to watch, especially when you have the product which is 17 plus. But yeah.
That's cool. Where do you want to take the product? So it sounds like you're launched somewhat, and a lot of 12 years old people adopting the product. And what's next for it?
So we launched right now as beta. We haven't like actually launched yet. I already have some traction, but our plan right now is to finish building these reactions between these users who are watching the stream, and after that to get more creators on the platform. And yeah, and after that we're also planning to launch our seed round, and that's it. Yeah, something like this. And this is like the plan for the next 4 months.
Mm-hmm. Why does the creators matter here? Why don't you make it fully more decentralized?
Yeah, because we have to focus on something in the beginning. And there are some apps that are focusing on just decentralized apps, and we are focusing exactly on just shows. So creators here are like, people are going to the app not only because of making friends, but also because they just love their creator. This is kind of the point why they go to the app. And creators here are like hosts of like the shows, you know?
And they can pipe to your app, pipe to Twitch, and multiple things at once, right? And provides like a communal space for people to talk while watching the creator.
Yeah, that's right.
Cool.
We also were thinking about like making this as a showing all the shows to, for example, Twitch, but people can interact on Twitch with it. They have to go to the app to actually interact, but they can see all of these things. at once.
What are some big problems?
I think getting creators at the beginning and also our technical team for making it a little bit faster, because I'm doing for the most part by my own, and it's hard. But we already have like 4 people who are working on this.
And where are you based, by the way?
In Los Angeles, but I moved here like a year ago from Russia.
Very international, Daniel.
Yeah.
I'll take that as a compliment, unless you're calling from ICE or something. Thank you, Kirill. Thank you, Ivan.